Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Learner. I'm Anna, and I'm super happy to be here again with my amazing co-host, Tom. How are you doing today, Tom?
Hey, Anna. Hey, everyone listening. I'm doing great, thanks. Actually, I was just watching a football match before we started recording. It was so intense. My favorite team won in the last few minutes, and the crowd went wild.
That's awesome. Sounds like it was a really good game. And it's perfect because today's topic fits perfectly with what you were doing. We're learning English with sports and talking about our favorite games.
Oh, yeah, I love this topic. Sports are such a great way to learn English because they're fun, exciting, and full of useful vocabulary. You hear words like goal, teamwork, defense, serve, and championship. Even phrases like kick off, shoot the ball, or win the match. They're all so common and easy to use in daily life.
Exactly. And what I love about sports is that they connect people. You can make new friends, talk about your favorite players, and practice your English naturally. For example, when people talk about football, they often say things like, "Who scored the winning goal?" or "Did you watch the match last night?" Those are perfect everyday English questions.
That's true, and my favorite sport, as you already know, is football. I've loved it since I was little. I used to play with my friends after school, even when it was super hot or raining a bit. I learned a lot of teamwork and communication skills from it. And when I watch football games in English, I learn new expressions too, like, "What a pass," or "That was a brilliant save."
That's awesome, Tom. I think football is one of the most popular sports in the world. For me, my favorite sport is badminton. It's really fast, exciting, and it keeps you moving the whole time. I love how it challenges you to think and move quickly. Sometimes I play with my friends, and we try to speak only English while playing, saying things like, "Nice serve," "Good game," or "That was close." It makes learning English fun and active.
That's so cool, Anna. I think using English while you play is one of the best ways to improve. You learn how to speak naturally and use short expressions that native speakers say all the time. Even just saying "your turn" or "let's play again" can help your speaking get smoother.
Yes, and sports can also teach us really important life lessons, not just vocabulary. For example, teamwork, patience, fair play, and never giving up. All these qualities make us stronger in life and in learning English. When we learn English through something we enjoy, like sports, it becomes much easier to remember new words.
Totally agree. I also like basketball and tennis. I don't play them often, but I love watching them in English. Listening to the commentators helps me learn how people describe actions fast, like "he shoots" or "she smashes the ball over the net." It's great listening practice, especially if you want to improve your understanding of natural speech.
That's a really good point, Tom. And I also like how you can use sports to practice different English skills. For example, watching videos helps with listening, talking about the game helps with speaking, and reading sports articles helps with vocabulary. You can even write about your favorite player or your last game to practice writing.
Exactly. For example, you can write something simple like, "Last weekend, I played volleyball with my friends. We had so much fun, and my team won." That's already great English practice.
I love that. And for beginners, even saying short sentences like, "I like football," or "I play basketball with my friends," is a good start. What matters is using English regularly.
True. And for those who love watching sports, there's so much to learn from post-game interviews. You'll hear players say things like, "We gave our best effort," or "It was a tough match, but we stayed strong." That's natural, confident English.
Yes, and sometimes they use idioms too, like "we're in the same boat," which means working together as a team, or "throw in the towel," which means to give up, though, of course, we never want to do that.
All right. Sports idioms are everywhere. Like "hit it out of the park" means to do something really well, not just in baseball, but in any situation. So if you do great in your English test, I'd say, "Wow, Anna, you hit it out of the park."
Thanks, Tom. I'll take that as a compliment. But it's true. Using idioms makes your English sound more natural and fluent.
Yeah, and what I love about sports is that they bring people from different countries together. I've met people online who love football, and even though we're from different places, we can still chat in English about the latest match or our favorite players.
That's so amazing, Tom. I've had the same experience. I once joined a badminton group online, and people from different countries shared their practice videos. We all commented in English, gave feedback, and learned from each other. It felt like one big international community.
That's the beauty of sports and language. They both connect people. You can make friends, learn culture, and have fun all at the same time.
Totally. And for all our listeners, if you want to make learning English more exciting, just mix it with your hobbies. Watch sports in English, talk about games with your friends, or write short posts on social media about your favorite team.
That's a great idea. You can even follow English-speaking athletes or sports pages online. They often post motivational quotes like "never give up" or "keep pushing forward." Reading those helps you learn new words and stay inspired.
Yes, and remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes when you speak. In sports, no one plays perfectly every time, right? You miss some shots, but you keep going. Learning English is just like that. Practice makes progress.
I love that, Anna. Practice makes progress. Not perfection, but progress. That's a great attitude for both sports and language learning.
Exactly. So, everyone listening, what's your favorite sport? Do you play it or just watch it? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to read your stories.
Yes, and maybe share how sports help you learn English. Do you watch matches in English or maybe talk to your teammates in English? Let us know.
And remember, learning English doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun, active, and full of energy, just like a good game.
Absolutely. So keep practicing, stay positive, and make English a part of everything you love, even your favorite sport.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode of English Learner. We hope you enjoyed learning English with sports.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who love sports too.
Yes, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode, and comment below your favorite game. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Stay active, stay motivated, and keep learning English every single day.
And remember, the more you practice, the stronger your English becomes, just like training your body in sports.
Well said, Anna. See you next time on English Learner.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, guys, and don't forget, subscribe, share, and keep learning with us.